22.62. Come second fish.
Splash on.
Stop playing with that fish, y'all. He's dead.
You need me to catch him?
Here we go. They got a shark line. They can't get out. Hey, over there by the buses, there's drinks and hot dogs. Y'all want some of chips? Free. Y'all want them?
Hey, Kyle.
Jane Goddard.
Yeah.
Jane Goddard.
Hello.
You got any gas by chance?
Negative.
Okay. Anybody got any gas?
Hold still over here. Come in your boat.
Nice fish, fellas. Dang, straight.
Ooh, I just took a bath.
You look like it.
Damn.
But it's refreshing.
It feels
Here we go. Second fish.
What's he going,
Bring them
man?
in the bag. Y'all jump down, take a picture real
What's he
quick.
going? What's he
Fish
going?
the DNR. Tiny Williams.
Okay.
Let's go.
Right, look bigger than that.
Come on, Jim.
Lord have mercy, that's a nice.
Get out of this.
Hurry up and wait until.
29.83.
Well, that
Grab
fooled
y'all's
me.
fish, take a picture with
Fish.
them, give them the DNR, sign your way and shit. Good job.